Welcome back to ReviewTube. In this video, we will be covering 4 fantastic artificial grass options for any application ranging from indoors to outdoors, and from very durable and no maintenance to ultra-realistic grass that even you won't notice when you forget where you installed it. So without further ado, let's begin. The first brand on our list is the Petro Artificial Grass, which has proven to be a fantastic homeowner option. The Petgrow synthetic artificial grass is a great option for you if you have kids and pets at home. This synthetic grass turf can stand up well to foot traffic and has a water-resistant backing, which makes water drainage much easier and quicker. With each blade measuring about 0.4 inches in length, this grass is also surprisingly thick. The visual footprint and the texture of this grass make it difficult for one to differentiate it from real grass, which is an added bonus. For your peace of mind, this grass has also been made from environmentally friendly and non-toxic materials. To promote longevity, its durable construction allows it to withstand the harshest sun or torrential rain, so you can rest easy if you decide to install this artificial grass outside. Some pros include the fact that this comes in a variety of size options. It generally offers a good value for your investment, depending on your needs, and it is surprisingly lightweight considering how sturdy it is. And the only con is that, as with most synthetic grasses, the installation can take time. Moving on, we have the Goasis Lawn Store Artificial Grass Lawn is perfect if you are looking for very durable artificial grass that won't get damaged due to sunlight and other environmental factors. Vibrant in color and designed to retain its color for years, this grass is made from 100% polypropylene and is weather-resistant, UV-resistant, and low-maintenance, which is perfect if you want this to last outside or if you live in a sunny area and are worried the constant sun exposure will make damage. This artificial grass is also available in a variety of different colors, and each one can be cut to your desired shape and size easily. The grass blades are very soft to touch and the green tones blend flawlessly in the yarn for a realistic look. This artificial grass can also be used indoors and outdoors, but considering its build, this would be perfect for outside use. Pros include that it has been made to look as if it was freshly cut, so it always looks fresh, and it is also quite affordable. The only possible con is that it is quite heavy. And another great choice, especially if you are in the market for a very realistic artificial grass type, is the deluxe turf artificial grass, which can serve as a flawless addition to any garden or yard with sparse vegetation. The thick blades of this grass help fill out any bald areas in your garden, and the combination of green and yellowish blades gives this grass a very realistic look. Since it is heat-resistant and holds up to all kinds of weather, it's a great choice for outdoor use as well. To ensure product safety, it is made from 100% new materials and requires 0 to very low maintenance. Passing the durability and fire resistance test, this artificial grass can also be used for your pet's potty training. Especially considering how realistic it looks and feels, you pets won't know the difference. The colors won't fade over time. It is environment-friendly. There is also a pre-installed non-slip base that is perfect for indoor use, but there is no adhesive included out of the box. So keep that in mind. And lastly, we have an option that includes the best of all worlds, which is best if you can't really put your finger one option. And so, if you're looking for artificial grass that offers an authentic appearance but is also easy to install, then you must get your hands on the Lita Deluxe Artificial Grass. Made from high-quality, UV-resistant polypropylene and polyethylene, this artificial grass will last all 4 seasons. The lush, 4-tone pattern also gives it a very realistic look. For your safety, this has been made from non-toxic materials. Unlike most artificial grass products available on the market, this one does not require maintenance. Because it is fake, you don't need to worry about mowing, trimming, watering, or spraying it every other day. Listed at an affordable price, Lita is great for those on a budget as well. It is fantastic if you want to get it and forget it because it requires no maintenance. It is also suitable for both indoors and outdoors. But the only con is that maybe the drainage could be better. So get a smaller patch and test it out before decking your entire yard. And there you have it. Those were our picks for some great artificial grass types. We hope that this video helped you out in your search. And if it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you want more videos like this.